let's talk about PC water cooling. When it comes to PC water cooling, loop order doesn't matter all that much, but this is the loop order that I'm using in the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901 PC case. So this is the EKWB pump res combo. Fluid is actually being pushed out here in this ZMT tubing, and it goes down and around through the back of the motherboard, entering into the CPU water block, which is a direct die CPU water block for a 13900KS processor. So I've actually delided it, put liquid metal on it, slapped this water block on top of it, and the fluid is cooling that directly. So then it's coming out here, it's going up and into this front radiator right over here, and then it's being cooled in that radiator, comes through here to the top rad, being cooled here as well, and then down into the pump. Now this tube right here is actually part of my drain valve. So this is actually going to the back of the motherboard, or basically behind the motherboard, and that's where I can actually drain the whole loop as well. I chose not to water cool this Gaming X Trio RTX 4090 by MSI because just look at its cooling capacity. It's perfectly fine. No matter what I throw at this, it's entirely quiet. Oh, and a cool feature about this Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901 is when you put your cell phone up here, it wirelessly charges it as well.